folks, and welcome to In the Kitchen with Pete. Another simple and delicious meal today. Beef tenderloin. You gotta love it. It's expensive, so you don't want to mess it up when you're cooking it. I'll show you how to do it on the stove top in a cast iron pan, and then we'll finish it in the oven. It works every time. Let's season these up. First thing is you want to make sure your meat is nice and dry. Just use a paper towel and pat it down like so. All we're going to put on is a generous amount of salt. And pepper. My stove is preheating at 450 degrees, and my cast iron pan on the top of the stove is on a low to a medium heat. Let's get cooking. I warmed up my pan on a lower heat. I've now got it turned up to a medium-high heat. We're going to put in about a tablespoon of vegetable oil. Let that warm up a little bit. And let's get our tenderloin in here. Set your timer, 2 minutes. It's been 2 minutes. Let's flip it over. We got a nice sear on that side. Set your timer for another 2 minutes. Okay, it's been 2 minutes. We're going to move that off to the side. And our next step, a little bit of butter. A couple sprigs of thyme. Our garlic. And I had a couple mushrooms. I think I'll throw those in. Okay, let's get that into our preheated stove. And set your timer for 6 minutes. Fresh out of the pan after 6 minutes in the oven. I'm getting some of that lovely buttery garlic flavor from the bottom here. I'll leave my mushrooms in there to stay warm. And I'll let this rest for 5 minutes before we cut into it. It's gonna be outstanding. Oh my goodness, it's perfect. Look at the nice pink, cooked medium. That was 2 minutes sear, flip, 2 minutes sear, and 6 minutes in the oven. If you like a medium rare, just a little bit less time in the oven, maybe 5 minutes. But this is medium, a nice pink throughout, and that's the way I like it. Don't forget to subscribe to my videos, hit the red button, and you'll be notified every Monday when I put out a new one. I'm gonna try this. It looks so tender. Beautiful. Oh. You're gonna love it. And the garlic, the little pieces in there are like candy. Thanks for watching In the Kitchen with Pete. Until next time, see ya.
Baby, please don't pretend you do.